All right, now we're lined up. Hey, what's going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, we're doing a tool review. We're going to be taking a look at a valve spring compressor. It's a knockoff, one that I got off of Amazon. I'm always trying to find you guys, a decent tool, something that's affordable. It's not going to break your bank. In the description below, I have links to tools that I use all the time. Then you buy something through one of those links, a small portion does go to help this channel, and I appreciate that. All right, guys, let's head out back in the junkyard so we can find the cylinder head and put the spring compressor to the test. Let's go. Damn, it's cold out here. Alright guys, let's take a second to look at some of the specs on this thing. The jaw range is anywhere from 1 3/8 to 5 5/8, and the throat clearance is 5 7/8. On the adapters, goes as small as 4/5 all the way to 1 3/16 in diameter, so that's going to fit most of your springs out there. Looking at the construction on it, it's made with number 45 steel, has a galvanized finish, and is put together with rivets. Looking at the finish of this thing, it's definitely going to pit when you use it, and looking at the rivets, they're average quality. Looking at the handle on it, it's got a good rubber handle on it, fits my hand just fine. Weighs about 5.5 pounds, and it looks like shipped to your front door is about $34. Overall, it's not a bad tool for the price. I'm going to continue to use it in my shop just to see how long it lasts. Alright guys, appreciate you watching. Catch you later.